Hello students, I am Vishali Satpute. Again welcome to Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Students, today we are going to start our 4th standard maths new chapter. Means our second chapter addition. Already this chapter is third in book, but we take it at second number. Okay students, you are already know me addition because you learn 2-digit addition, 3-digit addition in second and third standard. But in this lesson, means in this addition lesson, we have to learn 4-digit addition. In this addition, students, there are two types of addition: vertical addition and horizontal addition. What is meaning of vertical? Vertical means top to bottom. And what is meaning of horizontal? Horizontal means left to right. Understand? Okay. Now students, first we will take revision of your third standard some example. Look here. Suppose here one example is given. 343 plus 211. Can you solve this example? Yes, because you learn this type of examples in third standard. Solve it. First step, units places addition. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And then hundreds place. 3 plus 2 is equal to again 5. Means our additions or our problem's answer is 554. Do you understand? Okay, now we will take next example. Very simple. If you know about 3-digit addition, you easily solve 4-digit addition. Now we will take 4-digit example. Look here. 4,319 plus 2,260. Students, try to solve this example. Very easy. According to 3-digit addition, take here first units places addition. Here units. Students, 9 plus 0. Correct. 9. Then 1 plus 6. 7. This is at tens place. Then after tens, take addition of hundreds place. Hundreds place. Which digit at hundreds place? 3 and 2. Add these two number. Tell me 3 plus 2 is equal to? Correct. 5. And then thousands place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Good. Therefore, our problem's answer is 6,579. Means our answer is 6,579. Do you understand? Okay. Now students, we will learn first vertical addition. What is meaning of vertical? Vertical means top to bottom. And we have to learn this addition. Okay. First, vertical addition. And we have to solve this example according to vertical addition. How we solve it? Look here. Solution. Students, I already tell you vertical addition means top to bottom. And here we have to give a horizontal type. Therefore, write as it is 345 plus 623. And we have to use vertical addition type. Therefore, write it vertical type means top to bottom type. How? First write unit place. Here unit place is 5. Here unit place is 3. Then take tens. What is at tens place here? 4. What is at tens place here? 2. Then hundreds place. What is at hundredth place here? 3. And here 6. Here sign of plus. Then solve it example. Very easy. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. And 3 plus 6, 9. Means our answer of this example is 968. Do you understand? Okay. Now, next example. Look here. Now we take 4 digits type question. Example 4260 plus 3211. And now we have to solve this example using vertical type addition. What is our first step? Solution. Write given problem as it is. 4260 plus 3211. Then what is our next step? Arrange this example in vertical type. Therefore, first write unit places. Here unit place 0 and here unit place 1. Then take tens place. Here tens place 6 and here tens place 1. After tens place, which place comes? Hundreds. Then take here's hundreds place and what is here? 2. And in this number, what is at hundreds place? 2. After hundreds place, which place comes? Thousands. And here at thousands place 4. And here 3. And here sign of plus or sign of addition. Then simply addition. 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 2. Sorry, here. 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. And here 4 plus 3, again 7. Means our answer of this problem is 7471. Students, in this lecture we learn about vertical addition. Do you understand? Very easy topic. Like this topic is your we will learn